Good evening, and welcome back to the Refreshing Point. Today I would like to share with you these homemade salad dressings and sauce recipes, which may even help with weight loss. Very few people enjoy eating salads, even though eating more vegetables is good for us. This is because they don't taste like much. However, with the right salad dressing, you'll find yourself eating more vegetables and salads than ever. And more vegetables usually leads to more antioxidants, minerals, and overall nutrients. The difference between sitting down to an appetizing healthy salad that you'll want to savor and one that you force yourself to finish basically all comes down to seasoning. If you're willing to experiment with new seasonings, you can experience a whole new world of flavors while losing weight. Despite what others think, healthy doesn't have to mean tasteless. Many incorrectly believe that to lose weight, you need to cut out all fats from your diet. Healthy fats are needed for a variety of bodily functions, such as absorption of fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K. The best kind of oil to use in your salad dressing for weight loss is extra virgin olive oil. It has both medicinal and weight loss properties, which can be achieved by having just 1.5 teaspoons of olive oil a day. This is a quick and simple honey mustard dressing recipe. It is sweet and full of tangy flavor. By adding mustard to the dressing, you are helping your body burn fat. Scientists at England's Oxford Polytechnic Institute found that by eating 1 teaspoon of prepared mustard can boost the metabolism by up to 25%, for several hours after eating. This lemon tahini sauce has the earthy taste of tahini paired with the fresh tang of lemon. It makes a delicious vegetable dip. The daily consumption of capsaicin, the chemical that makes cayenne peppers hot, improves abdominal fat loss. A study by Canadian researchers found that men who ate spicy appetizers consumed 200 fewer calories at later meals than those who did not. This very quick and deeply flavorful cilantro lime dressing is so easy to make and will be a big hit with your family. Serve it with an avocado, tomato, cucumber, green onion, and cilantro salad, or use it as a sauce on taco night. Coriander contains a unique blend of oils that work like over-the-counter medications to relax digestive muscles and alleviate an overactive gut. A study published in the journal Digestive Diseases and Science found that patients with irritable bowel syndrome benefited from taking coriander as opposed to a placebo. Store-bought dressings and sauces tend to be ridiculously high in calories, sugar, salt, and food additives. Instead, try these delicious recipes you can make at home that your whole family will enjoy. As always, thank you for watching. Good day and good health.